welcome to my channel. It's Hazel, the Israelite woman homestead. And yeah, look where we are. We are at the new house. Yes, we have moved into our 1890 farmhouse. And I'm just ecstatic. So yesterday I couldn't film for you all because I was just moving everything and it was just crazy. All the moving and the truck and this and that, and it was just madness. Too much madness, so I couldn't film. But anyways, today's a calmer day, so second day we're moving stuff, and it's a much calmer day. And as you can see, we're here. Move a lot of stuff inside the barn. And yeah, right there is the barn. Yeah. And I moved all my plants, well, not all my plants, some of my plants, over to that corner over there. And I put some chairs there so we can sit down, our bikes. And I still have stuff in the van to move. So, let me get moving. So, we are moving with our plants. Anyways, y'all, I'm just moving stuff back and forth. So I'm just moving things back and forth from one end to the next. And as you can see, we're just moving things from the van. My daughter is in there. I have my beloved plants in there. And I couldn't leave my plants at home. So, yeah. So I have a lot of stuff in the van too. And my plants, of course, I couldn't put them in the truck, right? So I have my plants in the front seat of my car. And guys, this is a barn. Alright. It's just a little tour, okay? A little semi-tour. And this is all my plants. Well, not all my plants. Some of my plants. And I just put them here by the side of the house. Now guys, this is the house. And it needs a lot of fixing up on the outside with the paint and everything. But this is it. It's our little house. This was built in 1890 and we're very happy about that. And this is our little land. Well, that's just a little bit of it. we came to find out that we have more land than what we thought. So instead of having 2.3, we actually have 3 acres. So we thought it was kind of big. And we were saying, that's like 2.3 acres. That looks so big. So yesterday we found that it's actually 3 acres. So that's perfect. More land, the better. But anyways, I'm just gonna walk with the camera a little bit and show you all. So this is the barn here. It's a huge barn, and we can do lots and lots and lots of stuff in there. And we have windows, and we have a skylight in the barn. So we can even put there's an upstairs and a downstairs in the barn, so it's perfect. This is the house. We need to do a lot of outside work on it. Not the roof. The roof is perfect, but the exterior need to be painted. So that's that. But as you can see, it's pretty. Yeah, it's in need of a paint job. The paint is peeling out. And this is our tent that we set up, so we can put all our clothes in there, so we can set up the house how we want it. And this is like a little overview in the back. It's the back of the house, the patio. And this is the little, well, not little, it's a huge porch. That's almost the whole side of the house. This is a porch. And then we have like a lot of land. And let me show you guys my chicken coop. So this is my chicken coop. As you can see, it's lovely. I just need to put some fencing around it. So let me see if I can give you a better view of the chicken coop. Okay, so this is it. So it's pretty nice actually. It's well built. It's the original chicken coop, and they have not made much changes onto it, except out here where they added this little part here, so overhang. But everything else is like original, and it's from the old wood. These things are never like, whoa, the wood is like so old. And if you look inside, they have an upstairs, and then they have a downstairs. I'm gonna have to add some boxes on this side here. So I'm gonna add chicken boxes here, right here. Yeah, and then this is just another part of the land. Just giving you a little overview. And then we have this this house here. I mean, we don't know what they really used it for. It had like a wood stove in there. So I may turn it into an office or something, I don't know. But let me just give you a little overview of it. So this is it, and you see the wood stove pipe up there? So they had a wood stove in there. It's a nice little housey thing. As you can see, the whole, it's pretty big. There's a window. See, there's a window there. And let me show you inside. Let me open the door. Oops. And there it is. This is inside. The wood stove pipe is up there. You can just add the rest of the pipe. I mean, this is a flooring. It's pretty big. I think I might use it for a mini office. I might insulate it and use it for a mini office. And there's electricity is right there. See, there's electricity. Okay, so I mean, that won't be any problem. So I may insulate it, and I may make my mini office out here. where I can do all my soap and stuff like that, or it's traffic passing by. But anyways, that's that little house that I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. Let me close that up. And my hands are dirty, guys. I was picking up some plants which fell out of my truck. I'm over here, baby girl. Oh, and we have some beautiful trees on our property, which is about 100 years old, as I was told. Yeah. My daughter is crying. She didn't see her mommy because I'm doing a video for y'all. Anyways, we have some huge trees. Come along, sweetie. Let me show you some of our fir trees that we have here. They're just massive. Look at the trunk. The trunk is like really thick. These trees are very, very old, and they will be staying like that. Now, see, there's a lot of pine gum on it, which I'm going to harvest. Good for me. Yoo-hoo, there's a lot up here, even on that spot up there, so that's good. I'm going to harvest some pine gum. There's a lot pine. Yeah, the resin on it you can use to catch fire and all kind of thing. And I have this little apple tree here. It's not a crab apple, but it's a kind of cross between that. You can eat them, they're just small. And then I have a green apple over here. A green apple over here. And this one doesn't seem to have a lot on it. They just have a few on the tree. So, yeah, there's just a few on this. There's some more higher up at the top. You can see up there. Yeah. And then the property goes all the way to the end. And then we have a nice boundary for trees. So, I mean, property is really big. You have a massive, massive, massive 3 acres. I even think it's more than 3 acres because there's woods. And I'm gonna come back and give you all part 2 because this property is there's a lot of things to show you all that is very interesting. And as I walk around, there's a lot of things to see. But anyways, let me find the camera around. I'm using my thing as a stick. But as we walk around, you can basically see we have a lot of space, and there's areas like this woody area there that we're not even using. Those areas in the back there we're not even gonna use. So I mean, there's so much. I mean, like for example here, like the whole area that with all these hemlock growing. And maybe when I get my goats, I'm gonna fence this area and have my goats in this area. You want to go back inside to see Champy?
Yeah.
Okay, my daughter wants to go inside to see Champy. So see her brother. We call him the champion. Alright guys, so this is my little tour for now. I mean, I can't walk the whole property at the moment, but I'm gonna come back with some more videos to show you the rest of the property. I'm gonna give you an inside tour. I'm gonna give you a next tour of the west side of the property, and then I'll give you a next tour of the east side of the property, and I'll show you where my garden is, and I'll come back with another video telling you what happened when we got on our property. We had a shock when we got on our property, but that's gonna be for another video because this video is getting pretty long. And so I'll talk to you in my next video. Ciao.